power.
What are you guys?
It's power.
No.
I don't help you.
All right, so just as a reminder, we have a test coming up soon. When we're dealing with slope, we have 4 types of slope. You have the positive that starts low and goes up. A negative that starts high, goes down. A zero slope, which is a flat line, is just flat. And an undefined, which is straight up and down. So we normally call straight up and down an undefined verticals. Like somebody's playing basketball and they can jump straight up really good. Call that a vertical. A flat line with zero slope when there's no movement. And look, we track things with this. So if I look at my bank account, I do a transaction with somebody and my bank account goes from here to here, right? I take in money and it goes up. Let's say I spend money. My money goes down a little bit, all right? Over time, this is what I really want for all of you. I don't want your bank accounts to look like this, zero. I don't want anything just to stay the same. Like 1 year you have $5 in the bank, next year you have $5 in the bank. That's whack. Don't want that to happen. I want yours to be positive. Definitely don't want it to be negative. All right, with that being said, we measure slope by counting or by doing the point slope formula. So if we're counting, it's pretty simple. This point here is -3, 0. Here's our 0 point, our point of origin, -1, -2, -3. That's why the x is -3. And since it's not up or down, it's right on the line, the 0 line, that's why the y is 0. So to go from -3, 0 to 0, 2, I had to go up 2, 1, 2. I didn't go up sideways, I went straight up the line. Then I went over 3. So my slope is 2 over 3. My slope is 2 over 3. My y-intercept, where this line crosses the y-axis, is right here at 0, 2. So my y-intercept is 2. So the linear equation, or the equation of the line, is going to be y equals 2 over 3x plus 2. Whenever you're doing the equation of the line, you're only going to worry about the slope and the y-intercept. The slope and the y-intercept. I could have also done it this way. I could have said the first coordinate is -3, 0. The second coordinate is 0, 2. So x1 is -3. x2 is 0. The equation is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. x2 is 2. x1 is 0. I'm sorry, y2 is 2. y1 is 0. x2 is 0. y1 is -3. So if I put the information, the numbers here, 2 minus 0 and 0 minus -3. Because it's always going to be the second number minus the first number. So I put the information in. 2 minus 0, 0 minus -3. Whenever you have two negatives, it becomes positive. So now I have 2 minus 0 over 0 plus 3, or 2 over 3. So I could have done it by counting. I could have done it by using the slope formula, point slope formula. Last thing I want to say. If you look at a line and it's straight up and down, it's an undefined line, straight up and down, all you need to do is count on the x, find out what that number is, and your linear equation, instead of looking like this, will just be x equals 2. If you're looking at a slope, a line, and it's a flat line, it's a zero slope, all you're going to do is find out where it is on the y line, and in this case it's -1. So that would be y equals -1. If you understand everything I just showed you, you'll pass the test. Any questions? All right, stop it.